$500 fucking 2007 Charger. As you can see by the title of this video, we got a pretty cheap piece of shit. We're gonna absolutely destroy this thing. Alright, what the fuck's going on, boys? We finally got another one coming for you that's about to get sent. We were gonna do some shit at my Crown Vic today, but we ended up not doing that. So we were like, we need something to rip. My buddy's had this Ranger sitting here for a few weeks now because he got his other truck going. And we took it out for a little quick rip and it was just doing a one-wheeler, and that's gay, quite frankly. So now we're coming in with the diff weld. We got to get that knocked out, and then I was going to see if I could try and get this fucking leaf spring shackle fixed for Buck. We were thinking about taking this pipe, welding it to the frame there. Hold on, I'll switch hands. Welding it to the frame there, like that, and then just welding it to the leaf spring on both sides, because this thing don't deserve a new shackle. What year is this thing? 99. So it's a 99 with the 3-liter, and it's automatic, but it locks in first, so it'll rip. But yeah, even if this thing fucking sucks, you're still gonna see it either way. And it's got no rear brakes either, so we'll at least get a smoker or something. We'll figure something out. It'll be a cool video either way. That's gonna be, you know.
It hurt, dude.
I bet. These fuckers are always so hard to get off.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to get a hammer.
Word. My fault. I don't know why I moved. I suppose you probably had it where you where you needed it.
I mean, fuck me.
That's insane. Dude, she's definitely done recently. That's not even that fucked. Actually, I don't even want to get that on my fingers. I'm not in the mood for that.
Holy shit.
Facts. Healthy. Alright, so we got the diff weld and the cover back on. I think I was gonna pick you guys back up right when I got that done, but I forgot. And then that is the old leaf spring shackle. That's definitely gonna be met. But I'll probably pick you guys back up when we're out swinging it, I guess. The lights are all shut off. Don't care. Facts. Linker on here when you're ready, you just bang fucking linker. Fuck yeah. The back tire screwing right across the curb back there. Fucking A right, dude. That is so badass. Oh, wow!
so bad.